Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick use and review of this Pittsburgh tire changer from Harbor Freight. Alright, so everything in red you see here is what comes in the package. You got to put the base together, bolt it down to the frame. This is the tool. The tool is used to break the bead, and I believe they want you to use it like a tire machine and walk around and pull a tire off the ground. I use metal spoons, I don't use this. This bead breaker has 3 different settings for your tire sizes. Easy to adjust, you just got a key pin in it. This is where you put your tire on. That goes on top of your tire to hold it. That will go in one of your lug holes. The only thing I've found that I really don't like is right there. You see that little bit of a shine. And right there where it's bent and the paint's chipped off, that's because back here where you see it has rubbed on the main pole, I had to bend this when I was trying to use it, and it's still, it's still super tight. But I mean, it works. It's nothing I'm worried about. I mean, it does come in handy. Like right now, it's kind of like stuck right here. So I mean, it's not all the way down on the ground all the time. Now to change your tire, you're gonna take your valve stem cover off. You need to remove your valve stem core. Don't lose your core. You're definitely going to need it later. Hold your air in. Alright, now that there's no pressure inside the tire, put it up there. Put this shovel up against your rim. You want to work the edge of the shovel in under your rim the best you can. And you take this tool, put it in there, and use it for leverage. That pop was the bead breaking. You take it, turn it, again, shovel it, stick that spoon under. There you go. One side. Take the tire, flip it over. Now when you do this, if you have really nice rims, be super careful because you'll scratch them. Because there's a bolt. If you have it bolted down to like a concrete pad or a pallet, there's a bolt right there. But put your rim right there. Just spoon into the rim. Turn the tire. All right, now that you got the bead broke, take those off. Put that down out of the way. Now when you do this, your tire has a cap in the middle of it. It'll come out. Just set that off to the side. Now you got this lug stud. If you're going to use it, it's tricky, especially if you're doing this yourself. Got a little handle under here. Get it lined up, and that'll help hold the tire steady. Take your top piece, put that on there. Alrighty, now your tire ain't gonna go nowhere. Like I said, I use spoons. You can use the tool. If you have aluminum rims like this, you have a steel spoon, you want to be very careful not to dent your rims. Harbor Freight does sell an aluminum one, and it works, but it's aluminum. I mean, it's flexible. The tool that comes with it, I believe the idea behind it is to stick it in here, use it like a tire machine. Actually worked pretty good that time. I've never had any luck with it. Then you gotta take it back off. Flip it over. Or at least this is how I do it. If you want to work from the inside, tire off. Now I take a grinder with a wire brush on it, and clean up this rim edge where the tire sits. That way, when I put the next tire on, and I use this bead sealer, it has a good clean surface to sit on the rim, and then it'll seal to the tire better. Flip it over and do the other side. Oh, how about that? The stud stayed up. when you're doing this, you don't want to push into it. Just let it sit there. It'll do the work. You don't have to push. You don't want to remove the material from the rim. You just want to get the last bead sealer and a little bit of dirt and rust off of it. Almost forgot the wheel weights. I find a pair of pliers works for this, but I need to buy the tool for it. Hey, I win. All right, now that the rim's prepped, let's put a tire on. I personally find that on is almost always easier than off. Alrighty, now to set the bead, take your valve stem core and put it back in. Take your bead sealer. I aim for the tire or the rim, whatever is available. Like right there, I can hit both. Why not? Flip it over, hit the other side. Back over. Hit it with air. That pop was the bead setting around the rim. Put the valve stem cover back on, and you're ready to balance. Alright, I was saying about if you have nice rims, this is red paint from it. This is the worst I've ever had it. I've never had it come off like this. But I mean, if you put a shop rag or something under it, that would probably help out a lot. But I'm not nice to my car, so I'm not worried about it. Alright, let's get her balanced. That'll be in the next video. I'm going to use the Harbor Freight bubble balancer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped some of you out. See you on the next one.